Hey everyone! We often need to create subtitles for our videos to make them easier to understand. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles automatically using CapCut, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new project. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Step 2. Import your video. Click on the Media tab, then click Import to upload your video file. Once your video is imported successfully, drag it down to the timeline. Step 3. Generate subtitles. Now, click on the Captions tab located at the top left. Choose your spoken language from the drop-down menu, then click on the Generate button. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for your video or movie in just a few minutes. It's that easy. And that's it.
CapCut is a magical video editing tool that empowers storytellers. It offers intuitive cut and trim tools, speed control, and a variety of effects and filters to set the mood. You can add text and stickers for personality and choose from a vast music library to enhance your narrative. With CapCut, anyone can turn everyday footage into captivating stories.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.